Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, which I'll tell you guys about in a minute. And since it's the 1st of December and it's nearly Christmas time, I've got to be wearing this. So I'm going to be wearing this for the video. And so today's video, I'm going to be eating these Pauly's Lolly Space Adventure wild fruit sour straps. And what I was gonna say, a friend of mine asked if I could do the sour challenge, but I forgot to get more sour things, so sorry about that. I only got the sour straps, but I'm not really good with sour things, so especially warheads. Like, I hate warheads, they're so bad. So I'm gonna eat one or two of these. I don't know, but I'm gonna be eating some of them, and we are going to be unboxing these candy cane solar lights. So that's gonna be pretty cool to unbox. And that little poster thing behind me has fallen down, so just ignore that. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and I've got these decorations, but I will be unboxing these on Friday because, well, I can't unbox them today because I haven't got the time to set them up. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take this off. Alright, so, oh yeah, and also, well, I've already sort of unboxed these, but I've got these two awesome lights, and sorry, no, itchy nose. You had to pull something down and I didn't know what was going to happen, so these just turned on, but these are pretty cool, so I'm going to be setting them up. And so let's start off with the sour straps, and then we'll be doing the unboxing. So I can already smell them. So gonna get some scissors over here. One sec. Oh, I hate itchy noses. Sorry, I got some scissors. Yeah. So, that did nothing. I just cut it and it did nothing. So, I'm gonna pull it down like that. Ooh, that worked. I opened them a bit too fast and they went everywhere. Oh my god, they went all over my carpet and everything. See, I don't, oh my god. I can't eat all these. Oh, I don't really know, but I've got about 3 or 4 left. I didn't fall on my carpet. See, my YouTube channel could be called Silly Unboxing Fails. So I'm going to eat one of these, and I'm going to keep a straight face. I can't grin, or I can't go like, I got to keep a straight face like that. So let's do this. Oh. This is pretty sour. I gotta keep a straight face. Huh. It's quite nice. Alright. These are actually pretty nice, so I'm gonna put it up on the side. Take another bite. Oh, I'm going to be doing the candy cane solo unboxing now. Sorry about the sour challenge, Blake. I didn't get enough sour things. Oh, this one's pretty sour. This is yum. Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing this. Alright, whoa. I'm going to be unboxing this now. I just dropped it. I dropped the box. I need to get a better grip on something sometimes, like them sour straps in this box. If I drop another thing in this video, then it's not going to be well. Right. Oh, these look pretty good. Alright, I've got these unboxed right here. It's a solo one. So, alright. One sec, I just have to do something. I'll be back in 5 seconds. Sorry about that, I had to put my dog away because he was about to run inside my room and run around, run underneath my bed. Alright, there's like this sole thing has a cord, so it's wrapped around. There's 4 of these candy canes. So I was nearly gonna cut this cord thinking it was like plastic, but no. So I'm gonna do this. Wait, one sec. Or I can just do this. No, I can't. No. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright, we've got 1 candy cane done. Come on. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure I will be uploading on the very day of Christmas. Like I think I'm gonna be uploading on Christmas time. So alright, this is gonna be a bit hard. So one sec. Alright. So that's all I have planned for this video. I mean, I don't know, I think I'll unbox these fairy lights. So I'm gonna well, this is pretty cool. Oh, smell awesome. Here it is, fairy lights. I'm gonna put these back in the box so they're safe and sound and they don't get ruined. I didn't plan anything else for this video, so I'm gonna eat this sour strap the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. Be part of this channel. And I will see you people in the next video. Bye!